Is Thorne Creatine truly clinical grade, or are you paying a premium for branding in 2026? Thorne markets its creatine as a professional-level supplement trusted by more than 100 sports teams, partnered with the UFC, and even sold through respected medical institutions, which immediately signals credibility and quality control. Each serving delivers 5 grams of creatine monohydrate and carries NSF certified for sport verification, a testing standard designed to ensure purity and banned substance safety for competitive athletes. On paper, that sounds elite, but the bigger question is whether the elevated price actually translates into a measurable performance advantage. Independent comparisons show that similarly NSF-certified creatine monohydrate products provide identical molecular structure and bioavailability at a fraction of the cost, making Thorne's near 4 times higher price difficult to justify from a chemistry standpoint. Over a year of daily use, the premium can reach roughly $126 more than comparable certified options, raising concerns about value versus perception. While Thorne promotes clinical quality, certificates of analysis are not openly published and instead require submission requests, which some consumers interpret as a transparency barrier rather than a confidence signal. Longtime users have also reported that the powder's texture and mixability changed compared to earlier batches, with feedback describing slower dissolution and occasional clumping in cold liquids. Still, performance outcomes appear consistent with standard creatine monohydrate: improved strength output, better training endurance, and modest muscle volumization when combined with resistance training. Overall, Thorne Creatine delivers reliable results and strong third-party testing credentials. Yet, the evidence suggests its premium price reflects branding, positioning, and distribution channels more than a fundamentally superior formulation.